Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Julia Inspire Laughter channel. My name is Julia Musu, and I'm super excited that you are here with me. So, today I'm going to be showing you some stocks that I am keeping my eyes on. Not just that, these stocks are most likely going to do like 50 to 100% in returns. So, if you stick around and stay till the end, you are going to learn one or two things. So please, I'm begging you, if this is your first time, please click on the subscribe button, like this video so that it will help me. YouTube will show this video to more people, and I would like to see your comments. Did you learn something? Please stick to the end and let me know what you learned. And if there is any stock you want me to analyze, I am going to do just that. So what am I going to do today? What will you be learning from me today? So the first I want to talk to us about is why quality stocks do so well, my two top stocks that I'm watching, my projections, and stocks that I'm kind of looking at the long term to buy, hold, and profit. So if you are ready, I am ready, but I'm going to do a little disclaimer. All right, so the ideas that I'm sharing in this video are my personal views from my own experience, my research, and what has worked for me and working for me. So make sure you do your own due diligence, do your own research before you invest your money in the stock market. This video is for educational purposes. So if you really want to learn from me, you want to know the kind of things that we do, we have a money community. It's called the Dollar Tribe community. So what do we do there? We teach the basics of stocks and show you how you can earn passive income, monthly cash flow, and that class is just 10,000 naira only. So think this type of information can really change your life. We also have the VIP community. It is beyond just stock basics. So we talk about passive income, active income, and you get to see all the stocks I'm buying. You see when I'm buying, you know everything. You buy alongside with me. You can sell when I'm selling. When we make money together. So the link to pay or join the communities are in the description. So do well to click on that link if you really want to learn more. So let's take it from there. Let's talk about the market so far. Okay, let's talk about the market so far. So what's been happening recently? So there are a couple of things. Some people don't know whether we are still in the bull run or are the bears starting to attack. So if these words are confusing for you, that is more reason why you should join the community, because we talk about bullish, meaning market is going upward. Stock is moving from $5 to $20 and all that. Bear, stock is coming down. So are we actually in the bull market or in the bear market? Honestly, that brings me to the second topic, which is the August pattern, meaning that in August, most times in August, the market is usually flat from my own observance. But past, activities does not really predict the future. It can change, but most times they tend to repeat itself. So usually in August, I've noticed that we usually have a flat month. I just kind of see stocks doing more of a sideways trading, like they are trading within a particular range. And one good thing to look out for is that in September, the Feds are looking to cut rates. They've been increasing um, interest rates due to the economy and inflation. And now that they seem to get it under control, they are now looking at cutting those interest rates, meaning that during that interest rates increase, banks were doing well. They were increasing, the interest they would give to you when you keep your money in the bank. But if they begin to cut it, the banks will not really be happy. And that means people that were keeping their money there because their interest rates, seemed very interesting, will not really do much. Now, the next thing is the DCA. DCA means dollar cost averaging. Simply means this time the market is trading sideways and has pulled back a little bit in recent time is a good time to top up on some stocks. So um, let's go to the stocks that we're looking at. So if you look at these stocks, the first on my list is Nvidia, and then there are other ones, and I'm going to pick from here to talk to us. And for today's video, we're going to be using the Weibo app. Weibo is a trading platform, just like TradingView. You can use the same way you can use your Yahoo Finance, but I love Weibo because I love the experience. I get to see everything and I get to analyze all the stocks. I just love the interface and it's good and I really love it a lot. So talking about the stock that quality stocks that do well, I would like to talk about Nvidia. The reason is simple. In my Monday video, I talked about the stocks that I'm looking to buy on Monday, and one of them was Nvidia. I told us that this stock, my buy was anything within $100 and below. I called it out here, I mentioned it here, and in the community, we bought it even as far back as Friday last week. But that's the reason why you should be in the community. So we bought it around Friday around 98, 99, $100. So if you had invested $100, you would have as at today over $120. It actually touched $123 today. That's over $20 profit. And if you had invested $1,000, this is the dollars though, like this money is coming in dollars. 10 shares would have given you 1,200, over $200 in profit. And this stock can go up to 130. That is my own prediction. So let's go to, let's look at Weibo so that you get to see something. So this is Nvidia. So if you don't understand Webull and how it works, probably I'll do a separate video. But for today, I just need you to look at something. This I'm using the daily time frame. All right. Look at this movement. This stock has been on an upward trend. So it has been bullish. And then after touching 140, it sold off, had like a pullback, and made another attempt and touched 135 before the massive sell-off came. The month of July came with, this movement down here. And after coming as low as $90, you can see there's a strong support here. You can see around here is also 90. And the stock started to pick up again. And look at this move. Powerful. So this is the kind of quality stock I'm talking about. When I see this type of stock come lower, I rush to grab it. So this is that stock that I'm talking about. But because we're outside that quality stock, the two stocks that I'm looking at because of this pullback, the very first one is this stock I call UVXY. UVXY. Let's get UVXY. So UVXY is this stock that does well when market is doing badly. So you can see this stock has been selling off. So if I go back to Nvidia, you see that Nvidia was going up and then this stock was coming down. And the moment Nvidia started to sell off, what happened? This stock picked up and did wonders. I bought this stock at $23. And this stock, even though I sold mine too early, I didn't know it was going to make this type of jump. So imagine getting your stock at $23 to wake up to $65. And now the market has picked up, it is coming down. So we are buying this stock. This is one stock that we are buying. And look at this chart. You can see that this area is when it comes back to this area, we know what happens in September. Usually, there's always a terrible volatility in the market, and that's why I'm looking at this stock, taking that major opportunity. So, this is a good time to buy and wait. So, I always tell people when you are going to buy some stock, have a plan for that stock. Don't just buy randomly and think the stock will go up. No, you must do your research. You must know why that stock is selling off. Just like in Nvidia, when it was selling off, it was creating opportunity for some people. But there were people who sold out of FOMO. So this particular UVXY is one stock that we are looking at in the community. When we will start buying and when we are going to sell, I'm going to tell those in my community because that is the benefit of being in the community. But you that is watching, this is an opportunity for you. But if you don't understand anything about the stock, please make sure you get the information first. The next one I'm going to talk about is UVIX. This one tracks the VIX. The VIX measures the volatility of the stock market. So look at this. It used to be around 4-5 range. And when market sold off, when it was bearish, this stock jumped from $5 to $19. This is an opportunity you can just grab and wait it out. When the volatility comes, you make a lot of money. There are people who love this type of trading pattern. They buy and wait, and when the money comes, it comes very well and they really enjoy it. Now let's talk about Tesla. Tesla is a stock that I'm looking at like this. You can look at this stock. Can you see this movement? Tesla used to be around 169, 141. It dropped to 141 at some point, and we started buying it at 170. It ran up to 271, and it came down to 184. This is a buying opportunity because these are solid quality stocks that if you buy them, then imagine buying this stock for your child, and after like 5 years, the stock has grown to like $400. This is the kind of quality stocks that we're looking at. Now, it has its own bearish, stock. What happens whenever Tesla is going up, this stock is coming down. When Tesla starts coming down, this stock is going up. You can see this is just the inverse of what this shape. So this is, see the shape from here to here. Now let's look at the bear stock. Look at it. So this is just an inverse shape of what we have seen in Tesla. So anywhere within 15 to 16 is a good buy range, and that is where I'm going to be buying. Around 2019, I would wait. Around 15, 16, I will buy, and I will sell as high as 24, 23. So these are the things I want to discuss with you in this video. What next? I want you to watch out for my next video. I'm going to be doing a video on monthly earnings, dividend stocks that pay. I want to show you some of them that can pay up to 15%, and I want to show you the magic of earning dividend stocks that pay you every month for doing absolutely nothing. So stick around, and please, like I said, drop your comments, tell me if you learned anything, and then make sure you watch this video. Like this video so that more people will see it, and I will see you in the next video.